We're going Mexican, guys, one of my favorite cuisines. In this case, we're keeping it paleo, and tortillas ain't got nada. Come right back for my Cheechako Chicken Mango Tostada. Keep it paleo. Let's start with one chicken breast. We're gonna trim this a little bit, kind of the rib meat. Other than that, we're gonna cut this into strips. Ooh, razor sharp knife. Sharpen your knives, guys. And straight across here, kind of a dice, a rough dice. And this is gonna be for one person, maybe like a 6-ounce cooked weight chicken breast. Cheechako taco. If you don't have this yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, but get some. Makes things easy. We'll just hit the top of this. Then I'm gonna give a little oil to this cast iron skillet heating up here. A little bit more here. And then we'll go. Cutting board with the chicken knife is now gone. Pull this guy up. We'll season the top of our chicken with a little more Cheechako taco. Want to toast those spices into the chicken. That'll help with flavor, and we'll let that cook. Now the mango tostada's up next. We're gonna eat this whole mango, all right? So we're saying carb-wise, this is gonna balance pretty well with that. We might need like a half a piece of fruit for dinner if we're looking at the zone diet, but it's definitely a better alternative than tortillas. Following? I'm gonna bring this plate into the mix, and as we cut our mango, we'll begin laying out our tostada. So I'll usually take the bottom off right here to give me some help. These things are slimy, a little bit tricky to work with, but just nice and easy. Cut some thin slices. And then the rest, we'll just trim around, and this will become part of our salsa. Check back in on the chicken. Woo! I love it. Nice hard sear, good color. We're gonna try to time all this perfectly so that this is ready right when that's done. Let's lay out our tostada. We'll go there, there, boom. One fill in the middle. And then let's do our avocado quick. Scoop this guy into our mortar and pestle. You could just use a metal bowl. But it's kind of fun to bash the avocado, right? You guys with me on that? And this is gonna be like a decomposed guacamole. Juice of half a lime, we'll say. Salt. Set that aside, check on the chicken. Tomatoes up next, in half. We'll go quartered. We're gonna flesh this one out. And all that means is we're gonna take it from here, press, and cut that down. You don't have to worry about cutting the core out because you're gonna get it right at the end, right there. And then from the inside out, colors coming together. What's next? Onion. We're gonna go here. Boom, beautiful color. I'm gonna do some slices, some thin little slices of Serrano. Boom, check out our chicken. Oh yeah, baby, it's gonna be good. We'll cut the heat there, and then just some cilantro to finish. Go about that much. Time to plate. All right, guys, we're plated up, but we got some extra stuff here. So what I do at home is I take and mix this with my extra guac, put that in the fridge, and then have it with my eggs and chorizo the next morning. Okay, so here we have it, guys. It's our Cheechako Chicken Mango Tostada, all plated up. It smells great in here. I can't wait to crush this thing. But it's a great example of how we can replace something like a refined carb in the form of a tortilla with some fresh fruit in the form of a mango. It's about the same carb-wise, but you got a lot less fat because you don't have that fried tortilla. You follow? So get out there, give this one a try, and if you're looking to keep it paleo, follow along with this guy.